Hello everybody, welcome back to YouTube channel Ankita Jeeps. Friends, we are basically we belong from Haryana, Sirsa district, Mandi Dabwali. So many of our friends doesn't know our address, so for them to clarify our location, this is our location. And you can see today we have an ex-army gypsy, so it's in stock condition. So many of our friends keep on asking us about this stock vehicles or ex-army gypsies. So we deal in ex-army stock gypsies as well. So in this video I am going to give you complete details regarding ex-army stock gypsies. So this gypsy is a approx, I guess, 2006 model gypsy. It does have an MPFI 16 valve petrol engine with 4x4 5+1 reverse gearbox. So that's a four-wheel drive. This one is a four-wheel drive. This is all so gypsy which comes from stock gypsies or any ex-army gypsy. These vehicles, each and every vehicle has a four-wheel drive. So this vehicle doesn't have any power steering in this. So first of all, I will show its engine to you, how it looks and how it works. So friend, this is the engine, petrol engine, which just comes with an Gypsy or Gypsy King. So it's an MPFI 16 valve engine. It has a brand new battery over here in this. We have used a Tata battery for this. This is the radiator. It's a good condition vehicle. It's a stock Gypsy. We haven't done anything in this. Just we have done the servicing and we have started the vehicle as it comes from ex-army. So just I will show you the sound of the Gypsy, how silent it is. Just I will tell my person to once on the vehicle, self-start the vehicle. So you can, it's here, I guess the sound is very low. You guys can't even listen properly, I guess, because it's a very complete silent engine. After we place this bonnet, noise is zero. You can check out, you have the mic and there is no sound of the Gypsy. So these engines are really complete silent engines. So we'll stop the engine. So the overall vehicle which comes is in a stock vehicle, and I have told you the basic details of the engine and gear. So you get a stock tires in this which are in running condition. The gypsies we deal in or we sell, the ex-army stock gypsies, are all in running condition. We provide you in running condition. We provide all over India delivery. The delivery charges would be extra. The documents which we provide with the ex-army vehicles are form number 21, the voucher, invoice, you can say about that. And after that we provide an DO, that's an delivery order. So these are the three documents which are required for you people to get that registered in your place. So all over India only these three documents will be provided to you, so you can get that registered in your place, so that you shouldn't have any doubt. I have told you this thing, and after that I will show you little bit interior details as well, how it looks, how it comes. So this is the old model dashboard which comes with the vehicle. So it's in stock Gypsy, so we haven't done any customization to this one. Yes, we have got the seat covers done for this one, and the back seats also seat covers are done for this. So you can see the outer body line of this vehicle. This doesn't have anywhere any dents, so this vehicle won't take much money to get it repainted. So even if you are going to buy with us, after finalizing the Gypsy, we will discuss about the paint also, how much it will charge. We can provide you that service also, we can customize it as well, but those details will be answered after the vehicle is finalized from your side. So you can see the whole body line which is neat and clear. There is no need of work of any denting. You can get it directly painted. So backside you can see the base surface of this Gypsy. It isn't any rusted. You won't see any rust over there in this one. I will just open it and I will show it to you. You can see there is no rust or any kind of thing. It's an original one. It's not like it's rusted or it's melted or it's in a scrap condition. It's in running condition, and approx an average you will get with these vehicles is around 9 to 10 kilometers per liter, as it's a petrol engine and it's in 4x4. And likewise it's a 2006 model. So 2006 model Gypsy would cost you approx 2,10,000 rupees with army documents, and if you are going with 8 or 9 model, that would cost you approx 2.5 lakhs, and if you are going with 2010-11 model, that would cost you approx 280 to 3 lakhs. So that is the price variation. So you can think that good running condition Gypsy 6-7 model you will get approx 1,80,000 to between 2 lakhs. This is a good condition. It has a good body line, so you don't have much work on this. If you need to go with paint work, I guess simply I will tell you, you can pay 25,000 rupees and you get a 2K paint complete for this vehicle. After that, if you need to get customized bumpers, those will be charges approx 7,500 for front and back bumpers. After that, you have fenders, your hard top, you need only a cloth or semi cloth, which will say, you can say that you can take it off. So there are many more features you can add on this one, you can put money on. So this is a basic model video which I have tried to do in English, because there are many of a person from Karnataka or Kerala who doesn't understand English, who doesn't understand Hindi. So for those people I have make a special video. So I have tried to explain everything. If you got any doubts, below is my WhatsApp number. You can ping me over there and get all your details. So I have provided you the details with price as well, and the documents which will be provided, and transportation charges approx you can get for Bangalore it's approx 18 to 20,000, and if you are in Kerala, so it depends upon the distance from Bangalore, how much kilometers it varies. And for Hyderabad it's approx 18,000, and for anywhere, if you need any transportation detail as well, below is the number of transporter, in description you will find. You can ask this person also how much would be the transportation charges. I have provided Mr. Ramesh Bisnoy's number in the description as well. So guys, we'll catch up in the next video. If you have liked this video, like, share, comment on this video, and if you are not subscribed on our channel, please subscribe our channel Ankita Jeeps. Thank you, bye bye, take care.